Shubai keys. Latest update on Binance now says new users can now earn a special offer. You can earn 10% annual percentage yield, that's APY, with flexible savings. So this update just came, the latest one of the latest updates we have on Binance. So fellow Binanceans, Binance has launched a new users limited promotion offer for the first time users on Binance Savings. So eligible new users will enjoy 10% APY on BUSD or USDT flexible savings capped at 100 BUSD or USDT. So from 2022-01 13th UTC to 2022-01 20 UTC. So it's going to be running for apparently 1 week. That's 7 days. So during the promotion, the APY annual percentage yield of BUSD and USDT flexible savings will be adjusted according to following structure. So you have BUSD 0 to 100 BUSD 10%. So you'll be getting a, let's say 100 BUSD less than amount or equal to 75,000 BUSD. 1.6 percent for tier 1 is 10%, for tier 2 is 1.6 percent. That's then for values greater than 75,000 BUSD you'll be getting 0.4%. Okay, so for USDT it's okay, USDT currently has the highest for tier 2 and also the highest for tier 3. So you want to check out the one that is suitable for you. So this basically how it's going to be structured. So you can subscribe now. We'll be dropping a link in the description box so you can get access to this. But the notes here is that the new tier APY structure, annual percentage yield structure, goes effective starting from this date. Also, this promotional offer is only effective for 7 days. The Binance Savings will make adjustment to the types of supported assets, interest rate, individuals limits, and total subscription limits based on market conditions and internal risk management. You can also refer to Binance terms and use condition to use using any product on the Binance and Savings platform. So, guys, for a quick question FAQ that people would want to know about the Binance Savings product. The Binance Savings product is just like your day-to-day traditional bank where you have a savings account and you get interest on your savings or the money that you have in your account. So what Binance allows these users to do is that if you have money on your cryptocurrency, idle cryptocurrency on your account, you can now stake this currency. You can impute them on your flexible savings, activate the flexible savings on them, and you'll be able to earn these amounts of interest. If you are getting 10% out of 100 BUSD, meaning you are getting about 10 BUSD. So I think that's a good one. That's a good one from Binance. So it's usually better than the traditional bank. So those are some of the perks about cryptocurrency world. So as a new user, that's basically it. If you have a question, you can still drop it in the comment section. Try as much as possible to assist you. Whereas the links are here for you to also open an account on Binance. You get lots of bonuses, guys. They're also giving their free giveaway for 500 BUS, 500 mystery bosses, $500 worth of mystery bosses. So you want to sign up on Binance and get that benefit. It will also be running for 7 days. So guys, that's basically it. See you in our next upload. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe with your buy keys. One love, and hope this is helpful to you. Hope this information is beneficial. Stay tuned, guys, for more.